Next, there are three types of chromosomal disorders that are in your syllabus. So first, that is Down syndrome. Second is Klinefelter syndrome. Third is Turner's syndrome. Okay. Now, first and second case, in that case, trisomy condition will be there. Trisomy means that one extra chromosome that is present. And in case of the third one, Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome, monosomy condition is there. It means that 45 chromosomes that are present, means one less chromosome that is present in case of Turner syndrome. So let's discuss the first type, that is the Down syndrome. Down syndrome, it is caused because an extra chromosome that is present with the 21st pair of the chromosome, means 21st pair, it is considered as the autosomal pair. So if suppose three chromosomes that are present, means except two, means except the pair of chromosome, one extra chromosome that is present, means additional copy of the chromosome that is present with the pair of the homologous chromosome. So this condition, this is responsible for causing the Down syndrome. Okay, and that's why it is known as trisomy condition. Trisomy means one extra chromosome that is present. So total number of chromosomes will be 47. Now next is that what are the symptoms related with that. That is short stature. It means that having a normal height. Normal means that is very small height. Okay, with small round head. Round head that is present, means flat back of head, the head that is flat from behind, furrowed tongue, having very deep grooves in the tongue, and partially open mouth, broad palm, palm that is very broad with palm creases. Palm creases means normally we have, means very so many creases, so many lines over the palm. But in case of the Down syndrome, what happened that the creases that are joined. Okay, if you will see your hands, so in the palm, so only one crease that is present in case of Down syndrome, but we have so many. Okay, so instead of separate creases, the joint creases that are present in case of Down syndrome. For example, like the creases that are like this, so these creases that are joined in case of the Down syndrome, it is present together. Now next is the physical, psychomotor and mental development that is retarded, and broad flat face that is present, and congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease means that from the birth, if suppose the heart disease that is present. Okay, so it affects the blood flow, the flow of the circulation, means the blood flow, it is not normal as in the others, in the normal ones. Now next chromosomal disorder is Klinefelter syndrome. It is also a trisomy condition, and in this case XXY condition that is present. It means that presence of an additional copy of X chromosome. But here, what is the difference between both the two, Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome? That in that case, extra copy of chromosome that is present with the autosomal chromosome. Okay, but here the extra copy of chromosome that is present with the sex chromosome, that is the 23rd pair of chromosome. So the total number, it will become 47. So what are the symptoms? That is sterile male, okay, with small testes. Masculine development means the muscles that are well developed with having female characters also, like the breast development, and this process that is also known as the gynecomastia. Next is Turner syndrome. This is the case of the monosomy condition, means one less chromosome that is present, so 45 chromosomes that are present with XO condition. XOY here because one less chromosome that is present, and here XXY because one extra chromosome that is present. And what are the symptoms? That sterile females, underdeveloped breasts, reduced ovaries. So because of this reason they are not able to ovulate, and means not menstruate means the menstruation period that will not occur, and but having some male characteristics also, like heavy neck muscles that are present, in case of males.